Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M4LE313. I just realized we have 19% battery, so we're gonna see if we can get this bad boy done. This is a 2004 Lexus IS300 in a beautiful spiral gray metallic. I'm guessing at the color, but I bet you I'm right.
Graphite.
Graphite, dang it! Pretty clean car all the way around, some aftermarket MSW wheels, looks like with some snow tires on it. Northeast Ohio, I can imagine why they might need that. 2JZ with VVTi underneath the hood. Got a little bit of a lifter tick in it. We're gonna fire it up here in just a second. Still a good running motor. I'm sure some quality motor oil would probably quiet that up.
About half quart low.
Half quart low. It was at that point Andy realized he locked the keys inside the car.
Oh, buddy.
Really? Really?
It wasn't locked before I took the lock off. Where did the lockout kit go?
Oh, I don't know.
There's probably
Back over here, maybe?
deemed something we don't need.
Where is the lockout kit?
Left it out of the toolbox.
All right. How about a BFH?
I got one of those right over here.
Through the windshield, maybe? We got 17% battery left. All right, get her done. There we go. There we go. All righty. Where's the staples? That was easy button when you need it. All right, passenger seat is no good, full of glass anyways. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Then we'll go around to the other side, unlock. There we go. All right. Well, John's gonna have to get the sweeper out here, and I cut myself. But
no.
we got it unlocked. Let's step inside. Oh. Come on, seat. Woo-wee. Was there a midget in this thing? Lord.
Get it ready for photos.
Oh, it was full forward. All right. 145,960 miles. I don't hear that lifter noise at all now. It may have just been dry up there. Maybe this thing's been sitting. Don't know when it was wrecked. Climate control is working well. Aftermarket radio, nobody cares. Well, not that nobody cares, just that's something we're gonna sell. Can't turn the wipers on because of the windshield. Let's go ahead and test some parts. Those all work. Power mirrors. And the transmission. Reverse. Drive. No issues there. Engages right away. Where's the key? There we go. Not a bad little car. These are decent vehicles for the price point they've entered now. That is going to wrap it up for M4LE313 or 2004 Lexus IS300. If you guys are looking for any parts you may have seen in the video, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call toll free at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.